Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Cubot P80 Pro. You have to start with opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. And now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Now click Get Started and then click on Child or Teen. Now click Next. And now click on Add or Create account for your child. Now you have to enter your child's email address. And then click Next. And now you have to enter your child password. And then click I agree. Now click on More and Accept. And now you have to select your account. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent password. Then you have to scroll down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Now click Next. And here you have to scroll down and click Next. Next. And here you can click Install Family Link or you can click Skip and then you can install this app manually. Now click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.